Hey guys, I'm back and we are doing Ipsy Mania. We've got Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And why do I have this giant box? I didn't do this I got the ultimate, but this wasn't my ultimate box. If you want to hear all about my Ipsy adventures, stay tuned. Hey guys, how are you? So, I'm getting over a cold. I apologize if I sound nasally and bad. I want to get into Ipsy. This month we had a weirdness. So I got the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the $12 a month tier. I got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is the $25 a month box. I did get the Ultimate as well, but I did that video with the Boxy Luxe as a comparison. But yet I have another box, and you want to know why? Because Ipsy thought it would be a super good idea to stick this box inside of this box and throw my add-ons in this box with this box. Why? I have no idea, because for one, it broke my add-on, and two, it was a terrible idea. Just putting it out there. I'm going to start with my add-ons real quick because those are a little less relevant. I did get as a full-sized item, because I did, by the way, they had a sale. It was buy two, get one free on the samples, or get $3 off a full size, and I couldn't pass up the CEO cream from Sunday Riley. This is like a $68 cream, and I got it for $9. So, you know what? Totally would recommend it. It's a really great brightening vitamin C rich hydration cream. I'm going to keep it closed only because it is a vitamin C cream and I'm not ready to use it yet, but I really, really love the Sunday Riley one, so highly recommend that. I did try as a sample, which got a little bit for schnooked, and this is what I was talking about with the way they packed it. Like, what? It looks like who did it in red. But this is from Hey Honey. This is the Look Into My Eyes Retinol Propolis Eye Mask. This is an overnight eye mask, and I really was excited to try this one out because Laneige makes a bunch of overnight creams, and I don't know if they have one for your eye. They may, but I really wanted to try one to try and get rid of some of the, the stuff as I get older and my downturned eyes. So I'm excited to try that one out. And then I got this from Colored Rain. I love Colored Rain as a brand. They have great items. This is their highlighter, and I really, really love the color of it too. It's a really, really pretty highlighter, but it came busted. So I'm not gonna open it up. I'll insert a picture up here because I did take a picture of it when I found out it was broken, but it's like a yellowy, illuminated, golden goodness. I really hope Ipsy replaces it because I really, really liked it. But I'm really upset that it came broken, and it was because of crappy packaging. So thanks for breaking it, Ipsy. All right, saltiness over. We're going to start off with the little one, the $12 a month one. This used to be $10 a month. They raised it a couple months back. I really don't think that the price increase is justified. It's exactly the same box it's always been. We just got a choice item now. Their theme this month is Shine On, and they did have a really cute message, and I want to read it to you guys. Sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. And I really want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for how far I've come. I was petrified to get in front of this camera, and I've done it. I'm even getting a little better at it. I'm not totally like dorking out every single time I sit in front of it, so I really appreciate you guys showing me all the love that you have. I think I got like 1,000 views on my last video, which I know it sounds like nothing to most people, but for me that was like epic. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And I've really come really far this year. I finished my last degree. I changed positions. I've got so much going on, and you guys are a huge part of that. I love my vlog lifestyle that Ella broke 3,100. I mean, I'm loving life right now, and I have all you guys to thank for it. So thank you. Let's clink those glasses, and I'm sure you guys all have your own stories of what you've come up with and you've accomplished, and I would love to hear what the greatest thing that you accomplished this year is down in the comments below. Let's clink glasses to each other, ladies. Let's support one another. All right, so let's get into this Ipsy for the samples. This month, I wasn't upset at all. I kind of like the variety. I don't think it's worth the $12 only because, like I said, it hasn't changed from what we got in the $10 box, but I think it's not a bad box. Or bag in this case. So starting off with the bag itself, it's this silver crinkle. This is kind of what we got across the board, was this silver crinkle. It's like a pleather material, and it's kind of like a sticky pleather, so it's not my favorite quality-wise. It does have a green satin inside, and it's got the green with the Ipsy on the pull part, and this one actually zips, whereas my big one wouldn't zip at all. But, you know, they're cheap little makeup bags. I do find a bunch of purposes for these things, for different things. But this month I was on the bag. But it's okay. Starting off with the first product. This is from Aromatica. This is the Rose Absolute First Serum. It's an overnight serum, or you can use it in the morning, and it helps balance. It's kind of like a daytime serum or an overnight serum that kind of evens out the skin tone and everything else. So I'm kind of excited to try this one out. It's also supposed to be a toner. It says, oversleep and need to speed through your routine. This toner and serum will tackle 2 skincare steps in one go. And this is what I love. This is the kind of skincare stuff I want to see. Things that have multi-purposes or different purposes and then moisturizers only. So you know what? I'm really happy to try that one out. Next we got from Tarte, their high performance Amazonian clay blushes. And guys, I've got 2 more of these samples from past boxes. And I gotta say, these things last forever. I've been using these blushes for like a year, 2 years, I don't know, maybe 2.5 years. And they are super pigmented. And I love this one. It's like a peachy pink color. They're super pigmented. They last a long time. And they look really, really cute on the cheeks. Like they're a really good blush. If you can kind of just see without me making any attempt to blend that out, right? There we go. I mean, they're really, really nice blushes. So I love this. I know it's going to last me for 3 or 4 years. So I'm super happy with that. From Phase Zero, we got this Banana Beige Pressed Eyeshadow. This, I'm not really a huge fan of this brand, Phase Zero. It's kind of like a cheapy brand. And it's not knocking them, but they're just, you know, they're an indie, kind of cheaper on the side brand. And the color, if I can get the compact open, is it's a shimmer, kind of like goldeny, highlighty color, and it's nothing like we haven't seen before. I mean, this one was actually pretty nice swatched, but you know, single eyeshadows tend to get lost in my life like everybody else's, so on that one. The next one's my choice, and this is the Professional Pore Primer. And you know what? I love this primer. This is my favorite, all-time favorite primer. I mean, hands down, my favorite. But really, look at the size of this thing. This is like what you get for free at Sephora to try it. Like, really, Ipsy? Like, really? I mean, like, at least in the past, we got, like, a decent size. This is just ridiculous. So, size-wise, I'm not happy. But product-wise, this is my favorite, or one of my favorites. And the last thing we got was another skincare. This is the Skid Rediment Night Detox. This is the Overnight Pro Vitality Mask. And you know what? I got this mixed up with the other one, but this is an overnight mask, and I love overnight masks. I use overnight masks, you know, almost every night because I think they do such a great job while you're sleeping. So I'm really happy to get that. So overall, my only real was the Phase Zero, and I don't hate it. I mean, I'll get some use out of it. But, I mean, I think it was a good mix. I like the fact that I got makeup. I like the fact that I got something I'll get, like, 3 years of use out of, either as a sample. I'm happy. It's a good bag. It was worth the $12. And I would wish it would go back to 10. But, you know, you can get it at the $10 price point if you prepay it for a year. But I get nothing bad to say about Glam Bag. Glam Bag Plus, not so much. So Glam Bag Plus is their $25 a month box. This does give you 5 full-size items. They also do a bag. They have kind of like a side zip bag in that same material, but this time, like, you see how close the sizes are? And this one, I gotta say, like, it's got this front-loading thing, and it's got a black inside. It's like an envelope pouch. I don't know what you're gonna put in this thing. Like, for real, I don't even think that this could fit the stuff I got in, like, my Glam Bag Plus. Like, it's not gonna expand. I don't like this bag. Like, of all the bags I got this month, I think this is my least favorite. Okay, where's my card? Because I need to know what prices are and stuff. All right, so for this one, they had the same saying on the front of it. And on the other side, it says, ring in the new year. What a year. We dreamed big and brought you more choice, more personalization, more membership. Hello, Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate, and more of what you want on add-ons. Now we're looking ahead to a new year with a resolution for a bigger, brighter experiences. Here's a January sneak peek. Top tier brands and products that you'll obsess over. New opportunities to connect with like-minded beauty enthusiasts. Enhanced personalization and ways to bring your bag more you. So you know what? I'm really here for it. I love Ipsy for trying to, you know, fix their issues, and let's hear it for the new year. All right, so let's see what we got here. So we're going to start off with an item that might make me slightly pissed. This is from Noya. There's their organic lip balm set in peppermint and vanilla. I like lip balms. I am a lip balm girl. You know, I've got lip balms all over my house. I love one from Naked Bee. I love the one from Sudsies. Those are like the best lip balms I've ever tried. I like lip glosses. I don't like lipstick as much because you can see it tends to like want to travel, even like good liquid lips. They tend to want to travel with my big lips and all that, so I'm just not a huge fan. So I like lip glosses, especially even with a makeup look. I'll just wear like lip gloss. So it's not that, but I mean, this I would expect to see in the glam bag. And if I would have gotten this in the glam bag, I would have been like, a lip balm. But in this, no. They say that these are worth $7.98 for the two of them, which is kind of expensive to me for lip gloss, but there's two of them. I might let that go. All right, so next is another brush from the Complex Culture, and these win for like bougiest boxes and bougiest brushes. I swear to God, they're just crazy. Even like this sticker is like raised, like even like all of this is just so bougie. These go for $35 each, and this is their face brush, and I gotta say, I really like these brushes. They are super soft. They're so well constructed. They're elegant. Like, these are the brushes that you want out. Clean, you know, only use them once in a while, but I have a feeling that these are gonna be like really, really good brushes too, so I'm gonna probably end up using them. This is your press set bronzer, so this is gonna be one of those ones where you wanna get up underneath the eye and press things in. You can use this to bronze on the side of the face and all that. So, and they're really soft. They're very nice. They're not too densely packed, but they have enough to actually pick up some product. So I'm happy with that. That's a great product. Next one was my choice, so you know I'm going to love it. This is from Tarte, and this is their setting spray. I've actually been needing a setting spray. I just ran out of my Urban Decay. I'm almost at the end of my Cialte, and I think I got one more. So I need a new one. But this is their Double Duty Beauty. And let's just take a quick look at the squirter on this one. Nice mister. It smells really good too. So yeah, I'm happy with this. This is what I chose, and I'm glad I chose it. I'm gonna get a use out of it. I will use the whole bottle. Thank you for giving something that's different, like a setting spray. Those are things we really like as customers. All right, Evolve Skincare. This is a super oil. I'm gonna read what it says about this one because I'm not as familiar with this one. It does go for $68. Instant moisture without heaviness. This plant-based squalene oil goes on like a serum. It soaks in instantly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. Apply 2 or 3 drops to the skin. That's radiant, supple, and super glowy. Tip: this oil is perfect for anyone who is new to the face oil game. Use it in place of a serum and follow with a day cream or night cream. I hate oils because I'm an oily person. I will try it, even though because it's an expensive bougie one, but I mean, I don't know. I actually thought this was a piece of dirt, but it's actually the leaf. I don't know. I'm like, about this one. And then the last thing we got was from Ipsy. All right, so let me have a little moment here. This is a magnetic palette, which I really like the fact that they did a magnetic palette in here. This is what the box looked like. And it had this little insert that held this thing, and I took it out because it's just ridiculous. And this is what it looks like. And I really like the magnetic palette part. This kind of like is the same as the Natasha Denona ones, where it's really nice quality. It's got the stitching on the side. And you know what? I can see myself depotting some of these, like, you know, ones like maybe the Phase Zero, or, you know, some of these other ones that I get like from Colored Rain and stuff, because I really, really, really like them, and I forget about them because they're sitting over here, and put them in this. But these shadows, the ones that we got, first of all, the ones that I received were swatched. They had big old fingerprints in them, and they are perhaps the worst quality I have ever seen in my life in an eyeshadow. Like, the worst. They don't blend, they're patchy, they're hard, like, no. And the color selection I really like, because I'm actually like cool tones. I'm a cool tone kind of person with my eyeshadow, as you can probably tell from my eyes. But yeah, they're garbage shadows. I like the actual holder, but the shadows are garbage. So how did this one pan out? I really like the brush. I really like the setting spray. And that's what I really like. I will get use of the lip balms. I will try the oil. I will use the magnetic part of the eyeshadow. Was I blown away? No. Ipsy needs to get it together. This is probably one of the worst months I've seen for the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag Plus was like the one that I really thought was the steady. The Ultimate was the one they were having some issues with. But I think that they just dumped out everything they had left over in these boxes. I think that they'll do better over time. I think they had the potential to do better. But on this month, the Ipsy Glam bag, I was not happy. I'm sorry, the Glam bag plus, I was not happy with. I really liked my Glam bag like I usually do. So that's how this one's going to fall. I appreciate you guys spending time with me like I always do. Please subscribe, hang out with me again. Follow me on Instagram. I'm there every single day, lifestyle.ella. Like the video if I did a good job, and I will see you guys in the next one.